Yep. This is my birthday month.
Birthday month, you said?
Tell him to smile big.
All right. What you gonna be this year, my man?
61.
61 and still young, huh?
Yes, indeed. Yep. I'm gonna show my viewers how I make my chicken game easy. Y'all take care of everything. All I gotta do is put it in the air fryer.
We take care of our people, man.
Absolutely.
Just can't forget them little tips.
Exactly. Gotta have them. I know a lot of people throw those away. I'm like,
no, I'll snack
no.
one too, man.
Yep. Excuse me, brother. Yep.
That's like the little turkey wing tip too.
Exactly. Matter of fact, I want to get two turkey wings.
You want the whole wing or just a flat with the tip?
The whole wing.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the whole.
Make sure I got some.
Okay. All right. Good. And that's a half a case. We're gonna have chicken wings for a minute. Good morning, YouTube family. Oh, I got a cart right beside me, so I don't know how if they frown on these phones or not. I know there's laws against using your phone, but I'm hands-free. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back when this light changes. All right, fam, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted by Lake Charles Finest, and yes, I am driving and recording, but I'm being cautious. I am in a very slow zone. All right, family, this is, you probably already seen footage now of me talking to the people at Lake Charles Poultry. I bought a half a case of chicken wings and cut up and seasoned, and I bought 2 turkey legs. Now, 2 turkey wings, I'm sorry. The reason I'm doing that, this is my birthday week. And I am planning on cooking my favorite foods this week. I am going to put together about 6 things that I love to eat, and I'm going to have a mega meal. But this video is not going to be about that. This video is basically about my chicken wing game. Lady Red and I, as far as the chicken wings go, was a perfect match. I like the chicken wing drums, and she likes the flats. And we've done family research, and we found that most of our family, most people, like the flats. And I think that's one reason that I like the drums, because there's so many of them, because most people leave the drums behind. All right, family, so we're gonna get home. We're gonna pull these chicken wings out, and I'm gonna show you my chicken wing game, how I package them. I put all the flats in her refrigerator, or the one inside the house. I put all the drums in my refrigerator outside, and never shall the 2 meet. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, family, as promised, we're at home, and we have our half a case of chicken wings, minus about 10 wings. My daughter and my wife wanted wings immediately. So when I got home, I threw some wings in the air fryer, and there's a few remains over there in the corner. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But this is probably about 50 to 60 wings. And that ran me, with 2 turkey wings, it ran me about 70 bucks. I don't think that's a bad price. These wings will last us for probably about a month. Lady Red takes these before she goes to work. She throws her flats in the air fryer. They cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. She likes hers more crispy. She cooks them for about 40 minutes, and she throws them in a container. She might throw a side in there, and she's off to work. All right, family, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Lake Charles Poultry, they always take these. They cut them up for me, and they season them. I don't have to do anything but put them in the freezer bag. And that's another topic of discussion. How many of y'all know the difference between a freezer bag and a storage bag? Don't cheat. Pause the video. Put in the comment section, what is the difference between a storage bag and a freezer bag? And if you don't know, we'll discuss it at the end of this video. All right, family. So for this experiment, we're going to use freezer bag. We have 20 and 20. That should be plenty. Woohoo! That boy is a rapper. All right, family. So the way we do this, Lady Red normally eats only about 4 wings per sitting. Maybe 5 if she's hungry, but that's very rare for her. So what we do is, we take 8 flats. The reason we take 8 flats, she eats 4 when she, say, gets up in the afternoon before she goes to work, and then she eats 4 more that night at work, maybe 4 or 5. So we usually put 8 flats in her bag. And that gives her 2 meals. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Then I put about 5 flats, maybe 6, in each one of my bags. I usually eat about 4, 5, 6 flats per sitting. All right, fam. 4, 5. All right. You get the gist. Now, with these wingettes, or whatever you want to call them, the guys at Lake Charles Poultry said a lot of people throw these away. I would never do that. If you crisp these up in the air fryer, it makes the perfect little snack, little crunchy snack. So at the end of this, I'll take about, I don't know, 10 or 12 each one of those, and we'll throw those in a Ziploc bag as well. I put my my drumettes and those wing tips in my freezer outside in the garage, and I put the flats in Lady Red's. The other thing I do, when I get down toward the end of the box, I usually take about 3 or 4 bags, and I'll put 4 flats, 4 drumettes, in about 4 wings, 5 wings, and that's if we decide to have lunch together, and instead of us going to get 2 bags that are oddly numbered, we'll have an equal amount in about 3 or 4 bags when we do have the opportunity to eat together. So all right, family, I'm not gonna bore y'all with me bagging all of these. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pause y'all for right now. I'm gonna finish this up. I'll bring y'all back at the end of this. We'll have a little bit more discussion about my birthday month of April, and how the wings are gonna be incorporated in my mega meal, if you will, and we'll go ahead and close it out. All right, family. I'll be back in about 15 minutes for me, about 2 seconds for y'all. Stay tuned. All right, fam, we're back. We're all done. We have, Lady Red has 5 bags of flats. We have 3 bags of the mixed variety. And I have 7 bags of the drumettes. And we have 4 snack packs. All right, family, those are the wingettes, or the wing tips, if you will. All right, family, as promised, we're gonna go ahead and discuss the difference between a freezer bag and a storage bag. Most of you probably already know this, but I like to share information just in case. Family, the difference is a storage bag is made a little thinner, and it's a little less resistant to freezer burn and freezer. It's made just to store things, say in the refrigerator, perhaps fruit or a salad, something of that nature. Freezer bags are made, and actually these are the storage bags and these are the freezer bags. The freezer bags are actually made a little thicker. They're a little more resistant to 32 and below. So that's the difference between a storage bag and a freezer bag. Believe you me, just like the rest of you, I have used the storage bags to freeze stuff in. I grabbed whatever was on the shelf, I brought it home. If my purpose was to freeze something, I froze it. and so far, so good. All right, family, so there you have it. That is my chicken wing freezer game, if you will. It works for us. Like I said, this is enough to get me and Lady Red through, probably 2 to 3 weeks. We eat chicken wings all the time. So we go in, she's gonna go in and grab a bag of those almost every day she works. She works 3 days a week, 12 hours a day. And then sometime when she's off, if I haven't cooked anything or I'm not doing a video, she'll grab a bag of wings, throw them in the air fryer. But see how easy that is, fam? You pull this out of the freezer, thaw it out, let it sit in the sink, let it thaw out for about 2-3 hours, throw it in the air fryer. It's already seasoned, ready to go. That's how we live life here, this and that. And we don't have to look for content, because this is our life. This is how we live. This is not anything I'm doing just for YouTube. I was doing this long before YouTube. If you watch our videos, the people at Lake Charles Poultry, they know me. I've been going there for years. It just so happened now, I put a camera in their face. All right, family. One other thing. I did tell y'all we were going to discuss my birthday week. The wings, which is one of my favorite foods. I have a list of about 7 things that I'm going to cook, or I'm going to incorporate other people as well to cook my 7 favorite things for my birthday. I think my birthday is next Monday or Tuesday. If it's Tuesday, we'll drop a video on my birthday. One of the things is chicken wings. And the other 6, y'all will have to watch the video to see what those things are. All right, family, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Y'all give us a thumbs up. And if you like what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.